how to record screen with OBS. So this is my OBS, and as you can see here, I'm recording the screen, right? But how I did this? So for example, I'll just go and click on plus icon. Now here you have to just go and click on Windows capture, display capture, right? If you want to just capture the display. So here I will name this. So I will just write here test. I will just go and click on OK. Now as you can see here, nothing is showing up. So what's the problem? So I have to select which display I need to capture. So here make sure you put it this as automatic. Now display. So here I will just write here 1920 1080p. Now here you can see it has started capturing the display, right? If I just go to the browser and open my OBS, you can see here this is how it's doing. Right now if I just go and click on OK, automatically it will add it as this one, right? And as you can see here, it's added, although I didn't clicked on OK, but this is how it will record, and this is a way to do this. So thanks for watching this video.